Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's part 2 video, we are going to look at sample past year questions related to straight line equations. There's already a part 1 video for this. If you haven't watched the video, don't worry, I'll give the link in the description. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, let's look at another question. In diagram below, O is the origin, O is here. Straight line MN is parallel to line OK. So MN is parallel to OK. So if it's parallel, so the gradient of MN is equals to gradient of OK. So the first question wants us to find the equation of the straight line MN, straight line of the MN. The second one is the x-intercept of the straight line MN. So if it's x-intercept, y is equivalent to 0. So now let's see how to solve this question. So the first question wants us to find the equation of straight line MN. So as we learned in the chapter 1 video and on our past past examples, we need to solve y is equals to mx plus c in order to get the straight line equation. So first we need to find the gradient, and second is the y-intercept point. So now let's start to find the gradient first. Since both these lines are parallel, so the gradient of OK is equivalent to the gradient of MN. So let's find the gradient of OK. So we have one coordinate over here, and this is the origin. Origin is always 0, 0. This is the second coordinate. So from this, we replace these two into this gradient formula. So this will give us, so this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. 0 minus 5. 0 minus 3. So further solving will give us 5 over 3. This is the gradient of OK and also the gradient of MN. So gradient of MN. So this is, so we have found the gradient. Now let's find the value of C. So now we have y is equals to mx plus c. So in order to find the c, we need to have the gradient and a coordinate. So we have already found the gradient, which is 5 is equals to 3. Let's replace this. And as for the coordinates, we have one coordinates on the line of M and N, which is -2, 5. So this will be our x, this will be our y. So further replace this into this equation will give us y is equals to 5, x is equals to -2 plus c. So now we have to solve this equation to find the value of c. So 5 is equals to -10 over 3 plus with c. So bring this to the other side will give us 5 plus 10 over 3 is equivalent to c. So further solving will give us 25 over 3 is equivalent to c. So now we have found the gradient. We have also found the y-intercept value. So now let's complete the equation. So y is equals to mx plus c. So y, the gradient is 5 over 3 x plus the y-intercept is 25 over 3. This is the equation, this is the straight line equation of line MN. As you can see, we only need this one single formula. By manipulating this formula, we should be able to solve almost all the questions related to straight lines. Now let's go and solve part B. So the straight line equation for line MN is y is equals to 5 over 3x plus 25 over 3. So now part B wants us to find the x-intercept of the straight line MN. As we learned earlier, if it's a x-intercept, the y is always equals to 0. So the equation of mn is 5 over 3x plus 25 over 3. So if we are going to find the x-intercept, so the y is equivalent to 0. So replacing y 0, 5 over 3x plus 25 over 3. So now we have to solve this equation to get the x coordinate. So let's bring this to the other side. Will give us negative 25 over 3 is equivalent to 5 over 3x. Now let's bring this 3 to the other side. So this will give us negative 25 over 3 times with 3 is equivalent to 5x. So minus minus, so we'll have negative 25 is equivalent to 5x. So let's bring this 5 to the other side. This will give us 25 over 5 is equivalent, and further solving will give us x is equals to minus 5.
That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, if you have any questions or any preferred topics or question you want us to address, please share in the comments and we'll do our best to reply or assist. Thank you.